You guys send me a lot of weird stuff. And a lot of the time I get really scared and then click it anyway. Engage. Yes, it may be what got my identity stolen, but one good thing came out of it, and it's this website. Each one of these links is a super sketchy phishing link. Don't go to this website. You will likely get a virus if you start visiting these. It's gonna try and steal your information. Bank account information, login information, all kinds of bad stuff. They're pretty scary.
So I'm gonna click one every time I laugh.
And it's gonna hurt a little. But at the end of the video, we're gonna do it to him. But I'm not gonna laugh.
Jelly and egg water.
I'm not gonna laugh at the first one though, especially when I've already seen, man. I've seen it, I'm ready for this. No, I'm not gonna laugh at the first one.
Give it another twirl.
Another twirl, dude?
Alright, we finna see what it is.
I'm finna see what it is.
I mean, the egg, I gotta...
Oh!
I got a taste of the egg real fast.
Dude, you think he scripted that? You think that's like he tried to do that?
Yolkier.
Yolkier?
Be honest, let me get another taste.
Nah, dude, he's gonna drink it again.
Overall, this nasty. I wouldn't try it, just being honest.
Just being honest, bro. All right. I wasn't gonna laugh on the first one, but I did. I'm about to click some of the smelliest links I've ever seen. And see, these links I know for sure are smelly. Thing is, sometimes you won't know or be able to tell, but you could. If you download the Guardio extension, which is the sponsor of this video. I know they're a sponsor, but I also tested them myself personally, and it was completely aware of these phishing links that I clicked. You see, Guardio is a browser extension and an app that's designed to protect you while you browse. If you're like me, you're on the internet all the time, and your browser is storing a bunch of information. When you list it out, it's really scary. Passwords, credit cards, banking information, addresses, it's all in the browser. This is valuable information that bad people actively try to steal. Guardio is your first line of defense from those bad people. After you install Guardio, it gives you real-time alerts and protection when your info could be at risk. It'll run a free scan to detect existing threats. I'm gonna do that really quick, actually. Pretty scared of doing this because I got oh no. Oh no. You get a free 7 days to the premium, and just by trying, clicking the link, downloading, you're supporting this channel directly. So please consider installing the Guardio extension and running a free scan.
This is about to make you want to.
Here we go. Oh, dude, look at this. Steamcommunity.ru. Oh, dude, is this like a fake Fiverr? It looks sketch, man. I'm scared. Oh, this one's so long, dude. I'm just gonna click it, man. You gotta click go to. Oh, dude. It just looks like AT&T login. Okay, we're gonna give them some fake info and see what happens. fart@gmail.com. Sorry if that's yours. Password is farts. See where it takes us. Oh, look at that. So that one redirects you to Yahoo. Interesting. That was certainly one of the less scary ones I've seen. I've seen some pretty scary ones. Dude, it just ran something. Whoa. So it's just telling me I got hacked. So we're gonna leave it right here. And at the end of the video, we're gonna dox them. I mean, yeah, we're gonna dox them. Nah, dude. Dude, there's like laughs in the church. Okay, hold on. 3.5 million likes for an animated cat shooting an AK? Okay, I mean, it is what it is. I'm not gonna argue with it.
Give it to me! Shoot it, MJ! Give me some time! Oh no! MJ, what are you doing? You know I'm bad!
They all giggling, dude. It was pretty good singing. I've seen that one, dude.
Best gift idea I've ever had. My dad hates this picture so much because for no discernible reason, the photographer made only my dad tilt his head. But this year I realized, Kyle, you have Photoshop. You can fix this. Pivot, pivot, pivot. Perfect. Oh wait, one more thing.
That's actually a really quality gift. That's a good idea to like use your Photoshop skills and like your weird nerd computer skills. Show them that you can do more than just plug in the HDMI cable, you know what I'm saying? Get me right. Dude, that's not gonna feel very good. What? Dude! Come on, dog. Quit being dumb. Nah, man, it's that guy. It's the guy who like can twerk while he's walking, bro. Imagine that's your like... No, there's just one dude that can like twerk while he's walking, and it's a dude. All right, dude. And now I gotta click a scam link because I laughed at it. All right, I'm gonna click another one. Ooh. IRS return. Oh, look, this one's gigantic link. Go to, boom, U.S. government system for authorized use only. I don't know, bro. That one looks pretty sus. Oh, dude, these guys are getting like actual social security information. Mother's maiden. Imagine this one actually gets you, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's even got the hyphens. First name. Nyef. Fartland. Oh man, he's got the real deal here. Phone number. All right, let's see if that gets through. Yo, credit cards? This one's like gets everything, bro. Let's just try to get through it and see where it takes us. Like, where does this one redirect us? Dude, that one's sketch. Whoa, and there's people trying to get people for a refund. Dang, dude. All right, we're gonna keep that one open, and we're gonna get them later. We're gonna get them real good.
That's tough. They got you locked up for life, my boy. The hell wrong with you?
Yo!
Hey, yo!
We like had the same reaction, me and this dude.
My boy. The hell wrong with you? Hey, yo!
He kissed at him. That's crazy. Crazy. That was a good one.
Y'all know that one SpongeBob sound that just be like, you what?
How's he so good at it? Yeah, he knew he was good at it. Where'd you get your wig? Oh, bro, got him. Brother's getting cooked for his hair, dude. Absolutely cooked. That's pretty cute, dude. Dude, the sound effect. Nah, this is dumb, dude. This is bait. This isn't real. All right, so he pours water down the... That's not real. It cuts, right? No. Bro captured a Pokemon. Dude, that makes me want to like lift my feet up off the ground and like look around, man. Yo! Dude, I'm telling you, the other day I decided there is something good about cats. And it's that they eat the rats. And if the rats are gone, then there's no snakes.
Peut-elle à notre jury?
Bro, I got caught, bro. Okay. Bro, it's like the sound and the timing. Yeah, man. Yeah, we went to click and scam for that one, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I like to see right there, boys. That's a good one. Dude, there's like 12 that got submitted like while we were chilling. Okay, here we go. Oh, playcsgo.com. Yeah, I would go to that website because that's what I want to do. Oh, stop deceptive page ahead. Identified as potential threat. That's when you know it's good. Oh, is this bait? Is this real right now? Sign in? Wants you to sign into Steam? What? Oh, dude, it just did something. What? What did it do? Dude, it just ran something. I don't like that at all. We're closing that one, dude. Dude, I think this computer has something going on. I don't know why. Dude, what was that though? Kids these days, you know what I'm saying? You got an 11-year-old with ChatGPT and he's about to blow up the tree in your front yard. What's it gonna be? There's a turbo in there? There was a turbo in there. A turbo and a beer? That one doesn't count. I'm literally not counting that one.
1 whole egg, milk. Hold the jug with one hand. The secret is to get that really nice smooth paste. Look at that. I love that.
Dude, the edit's so good.
That's what I'm looking for. In there. Nice. And then just shake it to the end. Beautifully.
I didn't laugh. I kept it in, but kept spaking. Appreciate that one.
Jazz. Gary. Michael. And ratatata.
Yeah, maybe if I was 12, brother. Good try, Hunter.
Easy way to say yee is to say yee. Yay.
Dude, okay.
Easy way to say
All right. We had to skip like 50 there because y'all sent some garbage, but here we go. Yo, intellectual property violation. Who's the owner of the page? Let's say I don't fill all of them out. Who's the owner of the page? Yeah. Email address is Jeff. And then what if I don't put a username and I say I have traveled? Submit. Oh, okay, so it does need this one. Jeff. So it's sending my information. Oh, dude, and it wants my password. It's validating. Password? Password is incorrect. What? Oh, so that means every time you put in your password, it's just logging your password. So all of your passwords will get logged. They want your username and email address, and then every password that you have. Because naturally, I'm gonna input my second password, which is Jeff Farts. Oh wow, it worked. Oh, sick. We have 3 scam links that at the end of the video we're gonna spam with false information. All right, he's got a monkey. Nah, he's eating chicken with the monkey. He's smacking, bro. What's on his mouth? Nah, man. How long does this go on? He just keeps eating chicken with a monkey.
Oh, no!
Dude, is that thing actually tracking?
No!
That's kind of sick.
Para todos ustedes contra un equipo colombiano y se fueron a 5-0.
I like when stuff's in another language, dude. I don't know why. Like with these, you have to watch it again. That's how they get you on the algorithm, dude. Doink.
What's inside? That's ridiculous. You can't put it in a box.
He lost, bro.
Does Joe Biden have a brother? I'm lucky I have 2 younger brothers. I'm the oldest of 3, and I've got a sister who's the love of my life.
The Fox News Decision Desk can now project that former Vice President Joe Biden will win the state of Alabama.
Ah, man. Ah, man.
When we defecate, so the water won't splash on our skin.
You're telling me to take a dookie. Oh, it's not gonna make its way down the slide, because you're gonna let it rip, and it's just gonna... God, doesn't move. You have a second seat for your buddy? You're supposed to have a competition? First one to get your duke down the slide wins.
That was pretty good, dude. That was pretty good. That's funny. All right, here we go. I'm gonna click another one. People are submitting them right now. Dude, it's like live. Like someone just submitted this phishing link. This one. Ooh. Oh, dude, okay. Dangerous. Oh, dude, someone's really hitting people with these AT&T looking links. User ID, 30, password is 30, continue. Oh, and then it redirects you to real AT&T. Yeah, we're gonna get them, boys. One more.
They want to ban candy canes because they're shaped like a J, as in Jesus. What if we held it like this? Would that help the situation, you idiot? This is what canes look like! Candy cane! We don't hold it like this unless it's a umbrella, you
They're so relatable. This is a relatable situation to be in. Just so relatable. All right, mashes up the hot dog in 140p. Puts a hot dog in the thing, mashes it again. A mashed hot dog into a mashed hot dog. It's just a forever loop of someone mashing a hot dog into a hot dog. You guys sent this. You gotta watch it too now. You gotta watch it too now. That's pretty funny, dude.
Hello? Is this Among Us?
Among Us?
Imposter? Is this the imposter from Among Us?
Among Us?
Hello and welcome to the Mental Health Hotline.
That's a sick video! No, it's real! Dude, I thought it was fake. That's sick! That didn't count, dude. Dude, it's just a bass boosted clip of Good Mythical Morning. If you watch it for a little bit, it gets really funny. I didn't think it was gonna be funny. That was pretty good. I think it's time for Silly Song of Scammers. And here's how this works. I got a little bit of Python magic, and when executed properly, it will spam the scammers with infinite amounts of falsified random information, so that when they try to actually scam someone, they can't find their information. Because all they get is like fart at fart.com when their password is fart and their bank account information is fart. The first one we got to, well, you click F12. Send them fart, and then we find all the stuff that's sent. Bro, it redirects like 1 billion times to make sure you don't do this to them. Request URL. Yeah, copy that. Insert URL. You scroll down in this, and you get the data. Yeah. Password name. Here we go. They thought they could get me with the redirect. They thought. Enter. How many threads? Let's do 9. Yeah, look at it go. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. This dude right here that thinks he's gonna get some AT&T login information, he's getting that instead. Second program running. This guy is totally getting doxxed. Yes. Bam sent successfully. Look at him go, dude. Number 3, copy, enter. 3 down, boys. The final one. We're gonna dox him, boys. F12. Oh. Yeah. Very nice. We're spamming the scammers. I'll let these run for a while.